In this video, I'm going to be going through distance, speed and time. Now, you can see the triangle here for D for distance, S for speed, and then T for time. So a way of remembering this is Dad's silly triangle. So you may think it's foolish, but if it helps you remember this triangle, it would be very useful. So you can see D there for distance, S for speed, and then T for triangle. If you can think of your own way or something silly yourself, then use it. Now, the only thing with the triangle, distance has to be on the top. You can mix speed and time up, but distance has to be on top. Now, whichever one you're looking for, simply cover that in the triangle. If you're looking for time, you cover time, and time is equal to distance over speed. If you're looking for speed, cover speed, and then it's distance divided by time. If you're looking for distance, then cover distance, and then it's time multiplied by speed. So let's have a look at a few examples. So in the first question here, we're told a car travels for 285 kilometers in 3 hours, and we need to find the average speed. So straight away, I'm just going to cross off speed. So now I know it's distance divided by time. So we have 285 divided by 3. And use your calculator for that. And that is 95. Now the question said kilometers and then hours, which means then speed is going to be kilometers per hour. Next question now, we're told that a train completes a 250 kilometer journey at an average speed of 160 kilometers an hour. And we need to find the time taken for the journey. So let me rub out speed. And so here we're looking for time, so let's cross that off. So it's going to be distance divided by speed. So we have 520 divided by 160. That is 3.25 hours. Now, you wouldn't really write 3.25 hours, you'd write it in hours and minutes. So 0.25 hours, let's multiply that by 60 to change it to minutes. So that'd be 15. So the answer is 3 hours and then 15 minutes. Last one now. So Connor ran for 40 minutes at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. What distance then did he cover? So again, I'll rub out time, and we're looking for distance, so let's cross that off, and it's going to be speed multiplied by time. So we have our speed, which is 15 kilometers per hour, but be careful of the time. It's in minutes, and we want it to be in hours. So to change it to a decimal or fraction of an hour, let's do 40 over 60. So that would simplify to 2/3. So I'm going to keep it like that. And then let's multiply. So let's do 2/3 times 15. And that gets us 10. So it's going to be 10 now. And it's distance we're looking for. So 10 kilometers. So just again there, notice that I had to change this into a fraction of an hour. So you divide by 60, so it's simplified to 2/3. That's your time now, and then multiply by your speed to get the distance. Okay, let's have a look at some more. So here, Bob drove a distance of 570 kilometers. He took 4 hours and 45 minutes to work out his average speed in kilometers per hour. So let's cross off speed, and now it's distance over time. So we have the 570 for our distance. Now, 4 hours and 45 minutes. Don't write 4.45. If it's in minutes like this, I need to change it to a decimal of an hour. So I'll do 45 over 60, and that'll be 0.75. So 4 hours and 45 minutes can be written as 4.475. Sorry, 4.75. Okay, so let's divide that. And that gets us 120 kilometers per hour. Next one then, Beth drives a distance of 14 miles. She drives for a quarter of an hour. Calculate Sue's average speed. So we're looking for speed again here. So it's already crossed off for us, which is good. And so the distance is 14 miles. Now, a quarter of an hour. So a quarter of an hour, which is 0.25. So let's do 14 divided by 0.25. And we have 56. So then it's 56 miles per hour. Lastly now, Seamus drives at an average speed of 60 kilometers an hour for 1 hour and 20 minutes. What distance is covered then in the car in kilometers? So here we are looking for distance. So let's get rid of distance. And now it's speed multiplied by time. So we have our speed, which is 60 kilometers per hour. Now 1 hour and 20 minutes. Don't make the mistake of writing 1.2. I need to change that 20 minutes into a decimal of an hour. So I'll do 20 over 60. That'll actually just simplify to 1 over 3, because in a decimal it would be 0.3 recurring, and 1 over 3 is just a lot neater for that. So now I have my time, which is a third, and don't forget the 1 hour and 20 minutes, so it's going to be 1 and a third. So you're going to do 60 times 1 and a third. You can put that straight into your calculator, and that gets you 80. So 80 is your answer, and kilometers.